Hi Crafties! For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a chunky scrubby. You will need bulky chunky yarn, a 6mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. So, let's start! To begin, create a slip knot and insert your hook into the loop. We're going to be starting right here with a chain of 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we will transform this into a circle by slip stitching this end to the first chain right here, this one. After which, let's continue with 10 half double crochets. To half double crochet, we're going to chain 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the circle right here, yarn over and pull through. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, yarn over and pull through. We're going to create 10 half double crochet, including the first 2 chains right here. Okay, and I will be back once I'm right at the end. As you can see, there's a space right here, and what I like to do is to pull this initial tail nice and tight like so to close the space. Okay? Alright, to finish off row 1, we're going to combine these 2 ends by slip stitch. So insert your hook to the very first chain here, and slip stitch. Now in row 2, we're going to make an increase here by creating 2 half double crochets on each chain. Let's proceed to row 2 with a chain of 2. Yarn over, insert your hook to the second chain right here, yarn over and pull through. Again, create a half double crochet on the second chain like so. And we're going to repeat this all the way through. And I will be back once I'm right at the end. We're almost done in row 2, but we still have kind of a little gap right here And what I like to do so it's a little bit nicer is to create a very last half double crochet right here and slip stitch these two sides together. Okay, this is just to keep the half double crochets right here a little bit close together so it's not going to be having a gap. So we have a total of 22 half double crochets in row 2. Now we're going to create the handle of our scrubby, okay, right here. For the handle, I will be creating 10 chains, okay, but please take note that the number of chains may vary depending on the size of your yarn. So try to fit in your hand as you create the handle to make sure it fits perfectly. Alright, so that's 10 chains, and what we're going to do next is to slip stitch the end of the handle to the body of the scrubby. Like so. But before that, choose which side of your scrubby you're going to attach the end of the handle. So I will be attaching mine here. Now we're going to slip stitch to the 11th half double crochet. Okay, so that's the 11th half double crochet. Insert your hook into the loop and into the 11th half double crochet. And slip stitch. And we're done to the handle of our scrubby. To finish off our scrubby, we're going to create reverse single crochet as our edging. So instead of starting right here, we're going to start at the back all the way through here. Alright, so to start your reverse single crochet, don't forget to chain 1 and insert your hook to the back chain right here, yarn over and pull through. Make sure you have 2 little loops, yarn over and pull through. Okay, again insert your hook right here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. And again insert your hook right here, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through. We're going to repeat this step until the end of the row, and I will be back once I'm right at the end. Now slip stitch to the first reverse single crochet here, and we're done. Okay, so this is how it looks like. To finish off, we're going to chain 2, and cut your yarn. Now pull up your yarn and fasten it up. Alright, make sure to pull your yarn nice and tight, like so. And we're going to weave in these ends, and we're done. I'll be using a smaller size of crochet hook, or you may use a darning needle to weave in the ends. Now you see, and now you don't. Go ahead and do the same method with your initial tail. And we're done! So this is our chunky scrubby. I really like the reverse single crochet. It's kind of like a wave shape here, as you can see. I really like it. Let me show you the two scrubbies right here. The color of this one is like a marshmallow. See? And the second one is color creamy soda. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and it would be amazing if you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out any of my future crochet tutorials. Bye!
That